How to fix Roblox crashing. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to fix Roblox crashing. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just click on Windows and R button. You can also open this by heading over and searching for Run. So from in there, let's just search for App Data. So let's search for App Data right here and then click on OK. And then this will open this folder. So what we need to do is to head over to our app data, then click on local, and then this will open our local folder. Then just scroll down and find Roblox right here, then right click on it, and then after that just delete Roblox from in there. Now if you already done that and Roblox is still not responding, then what you can do is to just head over and click on Windows R again, and then right now let's search for temp. So let's search for %temp right here, then click on OK. Then this will open this again. Then after that, just scroll down until you can find the file or the folder for Roblox, which is this. Then right click on this again and then click on delete again. So if you've already done that and it still doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is just uninstall Roblox. To do that, head over to your settings and you can search for apps right here. So let's search for apps and then click on open. And then this will open the settings of your apps. So from in there, just wait for this to load and let's search for Roblox right here. Let's search for Roblox. And in here you can see the Roblox. So just click on it and you can see the uninstall button. So just click on uninstall right there and you should be able to uninstall Roblox. Then after you have uninstalled your Roblox, you just need to install it. To do that, just head over to your browser and head over to the link of roblox.com/download and click on this download now button in order to download Roblox. Then after that, just check for the compatibility of your Roblox. To do that, just search for Roblox in here and then click on open file location, and then right click and then click on open file location again, and then from in there right click again and click on properties. And then from in here you can see this window, so click on compatibility and you can run the compatibility troubleshooter. You can also run this program in compatibility mode, but I recommend you run this program as an administrator, and then after that click on apply and then click on OK. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox crashing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.